So today we'll be discussing mostly regarding the vector integration. Yeah. And the most important questions in that. So I'll be sharing the PDF now. Yes, I think you can see the first question here. Directional derivatives. Correct. So as you can see this question here, del phi. Del meaning what? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And this phi, that is this particular question. X square, y, z, 4x, z square and everything. So this particular question. So this is our question along the axis. This is the axis given. Okay. So del phi. So x square differentiation. Partial differentiation means we'll differentiate only with respect to what? That particular term. That is with only respect to x. So 2x. Yz is constant. Similarly, here also x differentiation is what? 1. So 4z square. That's how we get this particular term. Similarly, you can do it for what? Y and z. So you can pause the video, you can do the same. Then next one is a unit vector. That is n cap is nothing but n vector by mod n. So already it is given direction 2i minus j minus 2k. Just take a mode. There is root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. You'll be getting the denominator part. So required directional derivative is nothing but whatever we got here, del phi dot n cap. That is nothing but my required. Then you should know the what dot product 18 into 2 16. Correct? Minus into minus plus plus 1 16 plus 1 17. 10 into 2 20. That's it. So totally 37. By this particular 3 will come down. So that's it. So that's the answer for this particular thing. Find the directional derivatives. So this can come, they can ask it for 5 or 6 mark. So whatever questions I am doing, it's all been asked in the previous year. Divergence, curl. The moment you see curl in the question, the answer is what? 0. Okay, curl meaning determinant. Okay, which means also means it is irrotational. If the curl value is 0, it is irrotational. In the sense determinant is there, right? I, j, k and everything we do now. This is only my curl, I, j, k. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. These first two rows are constant in curl. And if curl value I'm getting 0, then it means that particular vector is nothing but it is irrotational. That is cross product. Okay, now gradient of phi. Find divergence of phi, divergence f and curl f. F is given. F is nothing but what? Del phi. So same thing, dou by dou x of what? The phi. The phi is already what? X cube plus this thing, del phi. F is nothing but what? Gradient phi. That is del phi. Okay, so this is my phi. Which one? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Similarly, partial differentiation with respect to x. X cube is 3x square. Y cube is 0. Z cube is 0. And here again x, what is the differentiation? 1. So 3yz. So similarly do it for y and z. Now divergence of f, del dot f. So what is my del? Dou by dou x I, dou by dou y j, dou by dou z k. Whatever value you got here, put it here. And then do what? The dou by dou x of this term. Correct? Dou by dou y of second term. Dou by dou z of third term. And once you get that answer, that is nothing but divergence of f. Curl is nothing but del cross f. F value already is there in the question, 3x square minus 3yz. So that you put it and then do the normal determinants. Plus minus plus and you'll get the answer. And if it is 0, then I told you it is also irrotational. Suppose in the question, if you get irrotational also, curl you have to find. Curl answer is 0. The moment you get irrotational. Next one. So all the three questions are different, but equally important. So find the constants a and b such that f, they're given some value. It's irrotational. I told you the moment you see irrotational, the curl value, there is del cross f value is 0. So I, j, k. Put these things here in the third row. Because first two rows are always constant. Okay. Then by using determinants, we'll find the value of what? A, b, and c. I'll be getting the equations like this. Correct? So from this, I can find what? A and b. In the sense, I'll be equating this to what? 6 minus a is equal to 0. So a value is 6. B value is what? 3. Okay. So Once I got that value, then I'll substitute in the above equation. Which one? Here axy, 3x square and everything is there, right? Bx square. So in these things, I'll be putting the a and b value. Then I'll be doing what? Dou by dou x phi I, dou by dou y phi j, dou by dou z k cap. So if I'm doing that particular part, here xy is there. What is a value I got? 6. So 6xy plus z cube. That same thing only here. So similarly for the other term also. So I'm only taking what? The x term first. X term is this is I. You can see here I, right? Here also an I is there. I just need the value of 5. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll integrate. If I integrate, this is gone. So 6xy, integral of 6xy plus z cube. And what is the missing term? If I'm integrating with respect to x, the missing term is y and z. Okay, and then you'll be getting this part. See, x integration is x square by 2. And then if you, and y is constant anyway. And z cube doesn't have any x, so x z cube. So similarly, you have to do it for y and z. And integrate. That's it, the answer. So thank you guys. Thank you.